What's in the box? What's in the box? Yo, what's going on? Oh, my homies, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and yep, got another box. Let's check this out, and I need to get some light too because it's looking a little shady in here. All right, stay tuned. Right, back in. I'm just going to do quick impressions of whatever it is in this box. You guys probably know because it's probably in the thumbnail already. So let me find out. Let me find out what it is. It's from a company that I don't think I know this company, and I don't think it's a blind send. I think it's something that I ordered, but this name on the box is something weird that I haven't seen before. Oh, they must have had someone else to send it. But this is finally Art of Universe. And I know most of you guys have already seen it, probably already smelt it. I haven't smelt it before, so I'm going to jump into it. I know it's supposed to be like a clone of something. Blue Talisman, I think. Let's go with the unwrapping. Oh shoot, I do my knife. Let's cut into this a little bit so it'll be a little bit easier to get into. And all right, so here we go. There's the box. Pretty jazzy. This is lifted off the surface and it's made in a little bit of different material, like a shiny type of material. Almost feel like maybe like aluminum foil or something. On the top, you have the Lattafa branding. On the side of the box, nothing. And then on the back, you have all the ingredients and everything. And then on the bottom, I think that's the made date. Yep. And this looks like, yeah, this is just a slip cover. So fragrance slides out of there. Oh, they have one of those the Lattafa booklets that we've seen those before. But here we go. It is highly reflective, but that's the name of it on the front, Art of Universe. And let's see how this opens. Oh, it opens up backwards, like that way instead of open up this way. And this is just like an extra piece of cardboard or a foam just to hold it in place. Okay. And the bottle sits in there nice and snug, nicely. And here's the bottle. Okay, this is actually kind of a nice box too, because it's like a plastic, yeah, just plastic. I was gonna say fiberglass, but it feels more like plastic. This is probably a nice plastic plaque here that's shiny that makes it look like it's like a metal, but it's not really metal. I don't think it's metal. It doesn't feel like metal. So here we go. Here's the bottle. Here's the stars in the universe and Saturn, and pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's grab a spray strip and get our first sniff and our first impressions of Art of Universe. I've heard a lot of good things about this fragrance though. Let's see the top. Oh, the top. Yeah, it snaps into place. It's a little loose, but it snaps into place. You can probably pick it up by the top, but I don't know how secure I will be with picking it up by the top. But let's see. Oh, this is different. This is not what I was thinking, because I never smelled Blue Talisman either. But This is not what I was thinking that it was going to smell like. This is actually kind of smooth and sexy. I was thinking it was going to be like this blue fragrance, a summer fragrance that would just be good for roaming around in the daytime, which you could use this in the daytime. But this almost gives off a vibe of like, it has something smooth in it. It gives off a vibe of something that you would wear for evening date in the summertime, maybe even spring, like maybe around dusk in spring, if you have a date around dusk when it's not too cold or not too hot. Yeah, this is kind of swaggy. Oh, okay, now I understand what the fuss was about. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna go, wait, I gotta see if I have anything on my skin, because I did have one of those. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's nice puff too. That's nice puff. It almost felt like it was pressurized, but it's not. Oh yeah, this is nice. It smells like some kind of fruit, like a peach or something. This is nice. I'm digging this. Let me grab the notes and I'll be right back. Even though you guys probably know what the notes are already. Hold on. All right, so I'm back in. Art of Universe. This actually is a little bit surprising. I thought I was gonna like it, but I didn't realize. I don't know. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. I didn't know it was gonna be this kind of swag. But this is nice. Okay, I got the notes. So the notes are mandarin. On the top notes, we have mandarin, bergamot, ginger, and mint. And then in the middle notes, we have pear, orange blossom. I think that pear is what I was smelling when I said I smelled some kind of fruit or whatever. And then in the base notes, we have musk, amber, and cedar. That I think it's the amber and the musk that I'm smelling. That it, to me, it smells like it's kind of smooth, kind of a smooth kind of vibe. The musk it comes off. I think it's the amber and the musk mixed together, because it's coming off kind of powdery, but still like a sweet, but not like a overly sweet. This is nice. I'm digging this. This is nice. This is something that I'm going to want to wear very, very, very soon. So it might be in one of my lists coming up sometime soon. But yeah. All right. Wow. I'm happy to have this. And just overlook on the bottle again. There's the Lattafa name on the top there. The Lattafa symbol on the opposite side. And then on the bottom, it's a little sticky there. I don't think that's coming in with the Lattafa emblem on it. But yeah, I like this. Oh, did I see? Oh, yeah. The Lattafa holographic sticker. I was wondering if I saw that on there. But yeah, I do. All right. That's all I have for you today. Just wanted to go through this unboxing. What's in the box of Art of Universe. Finally got it. I've been thinking about getting it for a while. This is going to be nice. This is a different kind of fragrance. Different spring kind of fragrance, and instead when you want to break away from like the blue fragrances or just like the fresh kind of fragrances, this is something different. This is good. I never smelled blue talisman before, but if this is what it smells like, yeah, it's a good bottle. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Art of Universe, my new fragrance. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces. That's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be.